Consider robust options beyond plastic sheets for waterproofing behind a tub surround. One effective approach is to install foam backer board, such as extruded polystyrene or closed cell foam, directly behind the wall panels because it provides a continuous, water-resistant substrate and adds insulation. Cut boards to fit tightly and use a compatible adhesive rated for wet areas. Then seal the joints with a waterproof tape or compatible sealant. Another high-level method is to apply a liquid waterproofing membrane over cement or gypsum board. Choose a product formulated for interior wet areas, apply 2 thin coats with a roller or brush, and allow full cure time between coats while following the manufacturer temperature and humidity guidelines. For areas where seams are unavoidable, embed a fabric reinforcement tape into the first wet coat of liquid membrane and then top coat to create a monolithic barrier that bridges joints and fasteners. For a hybrid system, install cement board or fiber cement panels over studs, use a bead of premium silicone or polyurethane sealant at all board joints and fastener heads, and follow with a liquid membrane or sheet membrane over the entire surface for redundancy. If using sheet membranes other than simple plastic, consider bonded peel and stick membranes that adhere to board surfaces and are designed for shower applications. Butt seams with overlap per instructions, and always seal transitions to the tub flange with a compatible sealant. Always verify that any membrane system you choose is compatible with the tile adhesive and grout you plan to use, and perform a flood test where possible before finishing to confirm there are no leaks. 3 common mistakes are relying solely on a single thin plastic sheet that is not sealed at seams, which can let water bypass the barrier, always overlap and tape seams, or use a bonded membrane system instead. Another issue is improper sealing at the tub flange and corners, which invites water intrusion. Address this by using a continuous waterproof membrane that returns over the tub flange, or by installing a flange-type liner and sealing with a high-quality sealant rated for continuous water exposure. A third frequent problem is mixing incompatible products, such as using an acrylic tile adhesive over a membrane that requires cementitious bonding. Prevent this by checking product compatibility charts and, when in doubt, choose tile adhesives and membranes from the same manufacturer or follow their specified pairing guidance. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills. We also host an active discussion community where members share project experiences, product recommendations, and step-by-step tips related to waterproofing and bathroom wall preparation.